Iyangisinda fe.
Hey usemakhaya la wena.
Iyasinda lento susa. Yazi wena kanguthi.
Uyazi ke blawona kwa
Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, the video that you just saw, as you've seen from the screen, Umpumelelo put up that ask me a question type of thing on his Instagram stories, and someone was asking Uti when is he marrying Utireno, and he put up that video saying that he is still basically sharing her, basically still training her to become a wife. The first thing I just have to say, guys, is that every time I hear Utireno speaking isiZulu, I am amazed. Never mind is her Zulu like it sounds proper. She's got the accent, you guys. I'm just like, for a Tswana speaking girl, kudos to her, you guys. The way she's complaining, lapayana, guys, it looks like Mzumbe. And I'm just thinking to myself, Wuti Mzumbe, ingathi umsebenzi wakhona awupheli. Uyosebenza nje from morning till, I don't know, till evening. But it looks like Mzumbe kunomsebenzi omningi. But anyway, this just made me think, Wuti, you know, Tireno, or at least from my end, when I think of Tireno, she's always presented herself as this girl, Wuti, I don't need to pick a man. I don't need to be satisfying a man. Imeni, I choose a mean. And yeah, I'm seeing her busy doing my duties. I'm just like, ayazabafazi. Women in general, we will come out here on the internet and tell people ukuthi hey mina ngeke ngiyiphekele indoda engangishadile, ngeke ngiyiwashele, ngeke hayibo. Behind the scenes, majority of us are doing them. We're washing for them, we're cooking for them, and all of that. I'm just like, yeah, hey, I guess that's part of life. I guess that's part of the life we get to choose. But anyway, I found this video quite cute of how she's busy complaining. Feeling all man enough, telling her, yeah, when I in it. At this point, all I'm gonna say is that I really do hope Uguti she passed those tests that Umpumelelo is putting her through in order to become a qualified wife, in inverted commas. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.